especially in classics. 1956 Packard Patrician. Now, this vehicle came out of long-term storage. The odometer reads 27,962, believed to be original miles. What it appears is it needed some engine work and got parked, and that's kind of how it ended until it came out of this long-term storage. Now available for sale. Does have clear title to it. We have not had it running. Check out the still pictures. The valve covers are off. You'll be able to see in the still pictures a few things that obviously need to be done with it. And feel free to call in to consult with a salesperson. You can call us at 507-386-1726. You can check out the pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look at the front chrome, bright work on this car. Of course, clearly 50s designs, mid-50s, as you compare it to some of the other models out there. 374 V8 underneath the hood. Does have power steering, power windows, and then this would have the touch button Ultramatic. So it had the push button control pod, and we're going to get around to the driver's side. Check that out in just a bit. Now, this would also be Jamaican yellow and Dover white, which were the two original colors of this car. A lot of it appears that it could be original paint also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Kind of a cool feature in the scene before. Don't get a lot of these in. You could actually turn this to unlatch the trunk, and then there's also a keyhole behind the helmet right there for locking it also. Kind of cool. Take a look where the exhaust exits out that bumper. Also in good shape. Look at the condition of this. Farmers Insurance Group, just bumper sticker. Again, appears it was on the car. Car needed a little work and it got parked. Lupa Motors is where it came from in Minneapolis, and that actually was a brand new Packard dealer. This would have originated from there, and as you can see, paint has aged and shows its age over time. And once again, still pictures. Take a look. You'll see the parts in the trunk. There's also the fender skirts in there. Check out the underside pics, engine bay, interior, and we're going to get to that in a second. So I want to show you this interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. All right, check out those rear wing windows. How cool is that? Also want to show you the front and rear of this interior, which appears to be original, and this kind of coincides with that mileage that's showing a little under 28,000 on it. Take a look how little wear there is to these seats and how well they've held up over time. But what a cool 50s interior. Headliner also appears to all be original and intact. Nice, those doors close, the sound when they do close. So there's your power window switches. Of course, your paint and trim, as well as your VIN right there. And here is that push button control pod, I guess if you will, right there. And that's the Ultramatic, push button Ultramatic. And then just take a look at this completely mid-50s dash, no doubt about that. Again, we have not had this running, being sold as a project. Take a look at the still pictures, see underneath the hood. It does have a clear title. Interior, very nice shape considering the age of this car. 1956 Packard Patrician four-door sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation.